Easy Mailing is one of the powerful marketing tools that's in Get Booked Up. It allows you to use predefined easy filters or create your own list of clients using a very targeted list with just a few clicks to choose the options of who you want to mail to. So let's show you how that works. It's under the marketing menu. We've got Easy Mail, and that opens the Easy Mailing tab here. The first one at the top left here is an easy filter. So we've made it simple. If you just want to mail everybody that you last did a job for 6 months ago, 12 months ago, 24 months ago, etc. So if you choose one of those, it sets up this filter on the right hand side here automatically for months 24 months ago. So let's just delete that one in there, show you another example. Or if you don't want to use one of these easy filters, you can create your own filter from these here. So you can choose the client type. If you want to just use domestic or domestic and commercial, you could leave that blank if you want to send them to all. Where did you first hear about us? So you can look for everybody that first heard about you in Yellow Pages, or everybody that heard about you from a friend. Where did you get the telephone number from? So obviously you can look for repeat clients that have got you from Yellow Pages and things like that using one of the filters a little further down. Specific postcodes. So let's have a look. We're going to look for all clients in the DN8 postcode. And one of the ways that you may use this is if you're looking at your diary for next week and you're working quite a way away from home, but you want to mail shot everybody in that area to make them an offer to have it done on the same day. That's just one way that you could target the clients using this easy mailing filter. We've also got in here where you can manually choose the last job date. So if you've got here, we can click this and then we can choose using any of these criteria. So if you want before a particular date, you can choose that in here. And then we've got a total spend, so you can put an amount in here. So have they spent more than a certain amount, less than a certain amount, or between a certain amount as well. So we've tried to make it as flexible as possible. And also, are they repeat clients? So have they had more than one job done? If you might want to target all repeat clients where they've actually got your number from Yellow Pages rather than a previous mailing, and then you can mail them out something with I don't know, like an insert with a fridge magnet or something like that that says please keep this on your fridge, saving them to refer to Yellow Pages. So there's lots of clever things that you can actually do by using this setting this filter up. I'm going to leave this as a little bit simple for now and just look for all the clients in this postcode DN8 area. So that's the filter set up. You will notice actually that we've already excluded anybody that's excluded from mailings. So as part of the client record, you can click Do Not Mail Shot, and this filter will automatically exclude those when you run this. So here we go. If we click Show Clients, that'll show all the clients that are in the DN8 postcode area, and it tells me that there's 9 clients on our system that meet that the criteria of that filter. All we need to do now is select the document and the printer. And we do that here in the document setting here. There's already one there. We can choose from the list, and there's a different video that explains how you create these letters. But you would choose the letter that you want. You can actually amend that if you wish by clicking the amend button, make any changes that you wish. And then all we need to do is choose the printer. So we'll choose the printer on here, and then we click print mailing and recording contact log. When you click that, it does exactly as it says. It prints the mail merged letter and then it records it in the contact log. And you're able to mark off in the system that they've responded to that letter. The other thing that we recommend that you do is that you add to your telephone contact source some reference to this mailing. So you may call this mailing spring offer or area offer. And if you add that to your telephone number source, what you'll be able to do is when you open the client's record when they ring in, you'll be able to change the telephone number source to the reference that refers to this letter. And then when you look at your reports and analysis, you'll be able to see what value of business that you've actually had from that specific letter that you've sent out. So that's just very useful for doing that sort of thing. Now, obviously, what you can do as well is 2 or 3 months after or 6 months later, whatever, you can go through your telephone contact sources and delete all the older ones that you're unlikely to get a response from. And you can delete those without causing any problems to the data that's in the database. So there you go. That's how easy it is to use Easy Mailing. Easy Mailing just means it's easy for you.